So we do get our privacy from people who are busy trying to spy on us. We've got our curtains.
Welcome to the Santos Express
In Mossel Bay,
South Africa.
Western Cape.
We are Kelby and Adam, and welcome to our Life Through a Lens.
Okay, so we have just made it to our destination, which is Mossel Bay, and we've now come to our different accommodation.
Very unique.
Very unique accommodation. So tonight we're staying in a train, not a moving train, a stationary train. Not a stationary train that holds pencils and rulers and erasers. Not that type of stationary, just a train that doesn't move, it's in one spot.
For everyone that knows me, it's a bit of an inside joke.
Okay, so we're staying in
Santos Express.
There we go.
So Santos Express was opened in 1994, and they've got 8 decommissioned trains or carts that they got from South African Railways, and we get to stay in it. How freaking cool. So we are staying in, what is it, like a twin room?
It's like a twin cabin.
Twin cabin.
And we'll show you what it's all about, so come with us.
So I loved Santos Express's little slogan. So their slogan is, we go the extra mile even though our little train goes nowhere. How cute. Okay, so we have just checked in and we in carriage number 4 and cabin number 42. So for our cabin for the night with breakfast included was 437 Rand, which is really not bad. The only thing is we're sleeping on single beds. So with the twin cabin, we have a shared bathroom, which really isn't so bad. Come check it out.
We've got a hand dryer.
It's a hand dryer. But how cool is this view from when you have a pee?
That's your little view from the toilet. Okay, so the thing is, it's literally staying in cabins on a train. So I suppose modern day trains would be similar. Don't know, I've never been on a train before. Let's go check out our room. Okay, so as you can see, it is literally a train cabin. So I've only ever really seen this in like certain movies where people travel wherever and then they get the little private cabins, and this is literally like that. Okay, so for us here in South Africa, you do have trains for public transport. However, they're not the safest means of transportation here in this country. And also, I don't think there's many that offer like overnight trips.
Besides the blue train, which is like very luxurious and very expensive.
Yeah, there's the blue train, and then there's also another one. Something rail, Ross's rail.
Drop it
below. But like Kelly says, they are expensive as.
So basically there's 2 beds. This is going to be a very short room tour. 2 beds. We've got the light system here, which we're not sure if it works. We have a mirror. And look at our view. So we have this basin that doesn't work.
But it becomes a table. Voila!
And then how cool's this? Look at this view!
So, this is the entire space that we've got in our beautiful luxury apartment for the evening, and I think we're gonna have a lovely time here. So we're looking forward to it.
So guys, if you do have extra people, you just space.
And then also you've got your lovely luggage compartment at the top here. This place is huge.
And that concludes our room tour, which we had lots of fun doing, and it took us a lot of time to
A
do
lot
it.
of effort went into this one. Camera angles were so difficult to get because of so much space. But I think it's going to be a unique experience, and
Yeah.
we're here just for the one night, and then we're going to still stay in Mossel Bay and we'll show you other spots. So I think we're going to go for a drink. Okay, so now we're all settled in.
That was quick.
And we're going to now go to the bar, the restaurant.
What? Fork and train.
Fork and Train. Say that very quickly.
Fork and train.
Something that I'm breathing, telling me to sleep in, fix me on my lens like nothing gets done. Living by a bad drug, swallow it like who knew, marching to the drums like pa pa pa. Sliding by the beaches, gotta have a secret. Life is pink peaches, tell nobody my secret. Drowning out the teaching, gotta have a secret. Pa pa pa.
So, time to grab some lunch. We've got a printed menu. I assume because of COVID, hey? So let's check what they have.
And this is my lunch.
All aboard, train 2020 is departing right now.
And it's going.
We best sit down and put our seatbelts on.
So we've just made it back from a long lunch slash dinner. We got to.
Fucking train.
We've had our sleeping juice, which is 55 beers and
I had 45.
45 ciders. Now, on a serious note, though, we had an awesome time at the Fork and Knife.
Train.
Fork and Knife. At the
Fork and train. Can I just give some context? So in Afrikaans, the F word is fork. So that's why it's called, if you say it fast, fork and train, which is like a fork and train, but it's a fork and train.
So let me just put it out
Fork and
there.
train.
It's a train.
Yeah.
That's all
I
it
could
is.
have just said that.
Yeah. So we've decided now we're gonna.
No, we didn't decide. It's just time.
Yeah.
It's that time of the night. The
Okay.
train's left the station.
Okay, so the train's now moving. It's rocking and rolling. And now we're gonna close our windows and settle down. So we'll see you in the morning. Okay, so that's our night in our cabin done.
apartment.
So I didn't sleep too bad up until around 3 o'clock in the morning, because then you literally hear every single movement from the people next door, and they decided to do a bit of tap dancing at 3 o'clock in the morning, and you just heard every little movement.
So what I think is everyone decided to go for the bathroom at 3 o'clock in the morning, because it was next door, then it was the other door, then it was the other door. So I think it was like a domino effect. It was actually very comfortable, eh? And I was just a little scared.
So Kelby's a real scaredy cat, and then starts living a little fantasy life, thinking because there's noises, people are going to break in and steal her. But yeah, these beds are actually very, very comfortable. Again, you just hear the waves crashing because we're right on top of the beach. So yeah, it's all in all pretty good. Worthwhile, to be honest with you. But now we're going to go and grab some breakfast. So a little walk to breakfast, and yes, I am wearing the same clothes as yesterday, and yes, I do feel a little dirty, and yes, I haven't had a shower.
Even me, but we get to check into our new place early, and then we can jump in the shower.
Okay, because it is shared bathroom.
Ablution book.
It's not an ablution book. It is shared bathrooms here, and just, you know, with the whole COVID story going on, I don't feel that comfortable having a shower and stuff here. So at least we've only got a little 15-minute drive after breakfast to our next accommodation, which is stunning.
So we have just come to the Fork and Train, which we were here last night. It's been a while. So yeah, we're just going to grab some breakfast, which was included in our accommodation.
Okay, so they do say free breakfast, which we were again excited about. I was thinking ice, toast, eggs, bacon, but it's a very, very light breakfast that you get for free. So you get your options of cereal, like cornflakes, old brand, stuff like that, or you can have toast and a muffin, and then a juice. So Kelby's having some toast and a muffin. I'm just having toast and some juice.
So from us here at the Santos Express in Mossel Bay, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.
One love. Okay, so it's time for us now to settle down. Shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up. It's time for long day.
How's your pizza?
It's great, but train keeps moving.
It's gonna rock you to sleep.
Mm.
What pizza are you having?
So I've got a ham and pineapple, which is commonly known as a Hawaiian or a tropical.
No, tropical's got banana.
Mm-mm.
Yep.
Depending where you buy it from.
Well, if you're in Hawaii.
I don't think it's too bad.
So, if you're in Hawaii, do you ask for just a pizza and they give you an Hawaiian pizza? Kadoom. Don't you think that's funny? Only because you never thought of it, eh? Okay guys, so now we're gonna go and grab some breakfast.
So one thing, hold on, what the f was I wanting to say? I know what to say, I'm just trying to think how to say it.
Okay guys, so if you have extra people, you can also... What do you want?
Lift that thing up.
I can't.
Okay, here, then you do it. You do the work, camera work.
Oh, there. Okay. Okay, and also we have a shared bathroom. Ablution blocks, if you like to call it that. Okay, so we've made it to cabin. We've made it to cabin number 4.
42.
Okay.